Turning one proposal into a repeat client generator isn't just possible. It's actually pretty simple if you follow this framework all the way through. Stick around till the end because I'm breaking down the exact approach I tested across multiple platforms, and I'll even give you an exclusive free trial link to the best performing software I used so you can follow along and set this up yourself. Here's what most people miss. They treat proposals like one-time documents. But if you build your proposal the right way, it becomes a conversion tool and a retention asset. The goal isn't just to get the client to say yes, it's to set the tone for long-term collaboration from day one. Start by front-loading the value. Instead of listing generic services or deliverables, highlight quick wins they'll see within the first week or two of working with you. Clients who see results fast are 10x more likely to rebook. Make this part of your proposal easy to skim. Use bold headings, short bullet points, and clear metrics. Next, plant the seed of future work early. Include a short section called What's Next After This Project, where you preview potential add-ons or ongoing services. Frame it like a roadmap, not a pitch. This shows them you're already thinking ahead and positions you as a strategic partner, not just a contractor. Now here's where the real repeat business kicks in. Include a results tracking section. The software we're using makes this dead simple. Just drag and drop a goal tracking module into the proposal. This keeps both sides focused on outcomes and sets you up for follow-up conversations like, hey, we hit your goals, ready for phase 2? Always include a mini retainer option or a performance review check-in after 30 days. It doesn't have to be aggressive, just a line like, at the 30-day mark, we can review results and see if an ongoing support package makes sense. Most clients don't even think to ask for this. You just made it easy. Also, don't underestimate the power of visual design. The software we're using lets you add video intros and testimonials right inside the proposal. This is a game changer for building trust. A 1-minute personalized video saying, here's exactly how I'll help you, massively increases the chances they'll say yes and stick around. Once you send the proposal, don't just wait. Use the follow-up automation inside the software to check in, offer clarifications, or ask if they'd like to hop on a quick call. Keeping that conversation open is what turns a single gig into an ongoing relationship. Let's quickly recap. First, front-load results. Second, plant seeds for future work. Third, add results tracking. Fourth, offer a simple retainer or check-in option. Fifth, upgrade your proposal visuals with a video intro. And finally, automate your follow-up. The key takeaway? A good proposal closes a project. A smart proposal opens the door to a long-term client. Treat your proposal like an onboarding tool, not just a sales doc. If you want to follow this strategy step by step, I highly recommend using the software we linked below. It's the one I tested across all major platforms and the one I now use exclusively. The free trial in the description is only available to viewers of my channel, Dan Thorne, so take advantage while it's still up. That's it. Turn one proposal into a repeat client generator and build a system where one yes leads to many.